Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I'm Uzma Kulsoom with reference to APSEX online sport program. I'm here to talk about fourth week assignment subject English language class 6, and the topic is paragraph writing. Objective of the lessons are the students will be able to know the main part of a paragraph. They will be able to know the use of transition words in a paragraph. And the third objective is that the students will be able to know how to write a paragraph keeping in mind the above mentioned points. So dear student, there is a sample paragraph in front of you. First of all, I will read it out for you people, and then I will analyze in order to highlight the main elements of a paragraph. The topic of the paragraph is daily routine, and it start I get up early in the morning around 6 a.m. First I take a shower, then I brush my teeth. After that I eat my breakfast. Next I put my clothes on and catch the train to work. In addition, I always take tea at 10 a.m. and then I finished work at 4 p.m. Finally, I get home at 5 in the evening and have dinner and then go to bed. So here main elements of a paragraph are the topic, sentence, sporting detail and conclusion. Look, topic sentence. What is the topic sentence of the paragraph? I get up early in the morning. So what is the heading of the paragraph? Daily routine means the kind of action that are performed every day. So the day start from the morning, and here the topic sentence show the same thing, like I get up early in the morning. Next of the detail are according to the routine of the person, like getting up and then taking shower and then brushing teeth and then taking breakfast and going to work, and the kind of activities performed over there, and then coming back home, and then what is the ending sentence? Going to bed. So complete sense is there, concluding remark is there. You see, topic sentence start from the beginning in the morning, and then rest of the detail is according to the daily routine, show the daily routine. And what is the conclusion? Going to bed. So at night, routine start from the morning and at night. So it contains all these elements, and proper complete sense is there, and a sense of completion is there, and like there is no any sort of thing that is left behind. Like if we suppose that we end the paragraph on the sentence, I always take tea at 10 a.m. and full stop. No additional sentences are added, like no more sentences are added. So there will be no complete sense. The second important thing while writing a paragraph is that it should have transition word. Transition word, what is transition? Means a change, a shift. You see, I have written a few sentences in red color, like first, then, after that, next, in addition, finally, then. So these enable us to move from one sentence to another sentence. What is the purpose of using those transition words? They give kind of sequence to our expression. They give fluency to our expression. So for fluency and for sequence, we use transition words. So dear student, your paragraph must have three elements, like it is a kind of triangle, like topic, sentence, detail and conclusion. If these three things say the same thing, then your topic, your paragraph will be correct one, and it must have transition words in order to be impressive expression, and your expression will sound good to eyes and ear while using when we use transition words. Means when we read, when we listen anything, it will sound good. So transition words should be added in our expressions. Now important consideration while writing a paragraph is that a paragraph should not have any sentence that is not relevant to the topic. It is an example of a paragraph that has not that has a sentence that is not relevant to the topic sentence. And what is the topic sentence? I'm good at helping others. And sporting detail are how good at helping others, sharpening pencil for my teacher, doing classroom jobs and caring my baby brother, work hard on groups project and picking up trash around my school, and I feel happy when I help others. helping my little sister do homework, and one sentence is that I love my brother. So this sentence is crossed. Why this sentence is crossed? Because it does not link with the topic sentence. And what is the main idea of the paragraph? Helping other. And the sentence I love my brother does not depict the idea of helping others. So your paragraph must not have any sentence that is not relevant to the topic. Now, dear student, important thing to consider while writing a paragraph is that the use of transition word. Here is two set of sentences. One is without transition word, and the other one is with the use of transition word. And you see what makes the difference when we add transition word. The first set is she took music classes. She had no natural sense of rhythm. She eventually gave up the idea of becoming a singer. But when we add transition words, look what happened. She took music classes, but she had no natural sense of rhythm. So eventually she gave up the idea of becoming a singer. The word transition word but show the reason of means leaving the class, and as a result, show the result of means her choices. So she eventually gave up the idea of becoming a singer. You see, the use of those transition words give the sequence, plus give the rhythm, plus give fluency to our expression. They make our writing impressive. Some of the example of transition words are also furthermore, in addition, moreover, similarly, further. Another reason, because in the end, to sum up, etc. You can use those transition words while writing paragraph. And now there is a kind of home task for you people, that you are supposed to write down a short paragraph about your daily routine during the coronavirus lockdown in 50 to 75 words, and you can take help while writing a paragraph about your daily routine from the slide that show the same concept. Regarding the format, you can get help like how to write a topic sentence and supporting detail and concluding remarks, and the use of transition words. But you can but your content will be different from that one, because you are supposed to write down your paragraph regarding the coronavirus lockdown, means the kind of situation where you just stay at home, like you don't go outside, you don't go to playground, you don't go to school, you just stay at home. So you will write down your activity right from the beginning in the morning, and start from the morning, and then during the daytime activities, and it will end at night. Okay, your paragraph must have three parts of like topic sentence, supporting detail, and concluding remark. Must have transition word, and make sure your paragraph must be in simple present tense. So that's it, and good luck.